So if I wanted these buttons on the left-hand side and the right-hand side to do something, I need to use something other than the basic stuff that is here. So the one that I'm going to have to go to is input. Now you'll see that there's a number of different options that I'm going to see here. The one I want is on button A pressed. I can drag and drop that out, and if I was to go through and place under basic, I might have show an icon. And I'm just going to place it with a tick icon. So you'll notice that nothing is happening at the moment, and that's because there's nothing in on start and there's nothing in forever. So on button A is pressed. If I was to press button A, I get that to appear, as you can see. However, I might want it to be a little bit smarter than that. So I'm going to go to basic and I'm going to go show string. And instead of saying the word hello, I'm actually going to get it to say the letter A. And I'm also not going to need show icon. So to remove that, I'm going to select and drag it out so it deletes. Just to test that, I'm going to press A. Awesome. The other thing I might want to do is I might want to actually go through and get button B to be pressed. But you'll notice that there's only A selected, so I need to select this one and press B. From here, I'm going to go basic, show string, and string is just a fancy way of saying words or letters. So this time I'm going to press B. So you'll notice that nothing's been shown. If I press A, you'll see A. When I press B, you'll see B. But I can place anything in this. So instead of having A, I can have apple, and instead of B, I can have banana. When I press A, you will now see apple comes across the screen. And when I press B, you'll see banana come across the screen. So as you can see, I've plugged the battery in. If I press A, the word apple comes up. And when I press the button B, banana comes up. Now you will notice that if I've got button A pressing and I press B, it doesn't swap it out. It lets apple finish first and then banana will come through. So it will force it to go through like that, just be aware.